So then guys, today we're checking out something a little bit different. If you have got an iPad or if you've got say a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro and you want to be creative, this is where something like this today, the Creality Falcon A1 Pro, might actually help you out. This is a fully enclosed 20-watt laser engraver and cutter that's clearly designed for people who make things at home, not factories and not people who want their house to permanently smell like burnt wood. If you already 3D print, build desk setups, customize gear, or enjoy making things look properly finished, this kind of machine right here makes a lot of sense. Now, the first thing that stood out to me is the design of this. This isn't an open frame laser where you're leaning back with safety glasses on, hoping that nothing goes wrong. The Falcon A1 Pro is fully enclosed. It feels solid here to sit enough in a home studio or to put like on your dining room table or something like this without screaming out that you need industrial equipment. If you open the lid, the jobs, if you're printing, just pause, close it again, and guess what? It just carries on. There's also an emergency stop button, built-in airflow routing, and overall it feels far more thought out. And that matters when this thing is sitting anywhere near your desk, your tech, or your face. Now, the big question is, why would you want a laser engraver if you already own something like a 3D printer, for example? Well, the simple answer is this, that 3D printing is amazing for shaping, but lasers are amazing for finish. This type of engraver allows you to add logos, patterns, and details to wood, leathers, acrylic, and coated metal. It's how something simple, like a set of desk coasters, suddenly goes from looking homemade to looking like a real product you actually put on your desk. The Falcon A1 Pro also uses a 20-watt blue diode laser, which gives you enough power to engrave cleanly and cut thinner materials without turning everything into trial and error. There's also an optional infrared laser module if you want to engrave metals like stainless steel or aluminum or aluminium, depending on where you are in the world. This is not included by default, but it's there if you decide to level things up later on. One of my favorite parts of this setup is the built-in camera and autofocus. You just simply load in your material, drop your design into the software, and you can see exactly where it's going to engrave before you hit start. That means no guessing, no test burns, just to check alignment and no ruining a batch of coasters because the logo ended up a few millimeters off center. Workflow-wise, it's very creator-friendly. Creality's own Falcon software is simple, clean, and easy to get going with, which is exactly what you want if you're just trying to make things rather than fighting settings all day. You design, line things up, using the camera view, hit start, and let it do its thing. If you're more advanced, yes, it does also support light burn, but for this video, I'm sticking with Creality software because it matches the whole plug-and-play, creator-focused vibe of the Falcon A1 Pro. Designing, positioning, and sending a job to the machine feels very similar to using, say, a modern 3D printer, which keeps the learning curve refreshingly low. I have made all sorts of things, as you can see right here. I've made things like some coasters, but then also I've made things for Valentine's Day as well. And then on top of that as well, I've even made things out of acrylic here. I've made my own little keychain, keyring here, saying matte on it. And yeah, they come out super awesome here on the A1 Pro. Now, quick reality check. This isn't an industrial machine. You're not cutting through thick metal or massive sheets, and there is a limit to how tall your material can be. It's best suited to flat item panels and parts, which is exactly what most creator projects actually are. You also want decent ventilation. The enclosure helps a lot, but the burning wood still smells like burning wood, and that's just how lasers work. But you can also set this up with an air purifier like I've done right here with an exhaust pipe. So, who is this actually for? If you already enjoy making things, customizing your setup, or you want your projects to look more premium without turning your house into a full-on workshop, the Falcon A1 Pro fits really nicely. But if you're already deep into the maker or creator world, this is one of those tools you don't realize you need until it's sitting on your desk, cutting and engraving things for everything else that you own. And on that note, let me know in the comments what you would engrave first: coasters, desk gear, gifts, or something completely different and ridiculous. I want ideas right here, right now in the comments. And also, if you want to check out the Creality Falcon A1 Pro, make sure you check out the description of this video because I'll be giving you more details about it. And on that note as well, guys, time to wrap up the video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. Also, if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.